Oh my god. Are you guys ready? I mean, it looks amazing. Check it out. Wow. Look at those wheels. That was a major facelift for the car.
Hello guys and welcome to a new episode. Today we are going to be fixing on my Throwing Stars wheels, and we're going to be actually painting them so they will look quite different and a lot better. We will go from this to this. As you see right now, these have a lot of potential. I am going to do this very quickly. This is like a fast and easy tutorial on how you do it. And like, I am not going to fix this because I'm going to take some sweet and cool rolling shots with my E36 325 Cabriolet. And like, it's not that important to me that I don't care so much about this. I would like to do this 100%, but you know what? I don't have got the time. And this is just to prove that you can make these cheap wheels look expensive. And as you may see, these are wheels from originally, these are for E34 M5. These are called Throwing Stars, and that is because you can actually demount this part right here and take it off. That is why it's called Throwing Stars, because it looks like Throwing Stars and you can actually remove it. But this is replica and you cannot remove it. But I will paint these so it will look like you can remove them. So I'm not going to paint around here. I'm just going to paint the center, and I will just mask it around here. So when I'm driving, it will look like I have taken these off, painted them, put them back on, and this will look like a two-piece wheel. So I have another set of like replicas AC Schnitzel wheels, and you can do the same to them. You can just mascate, and then it will look like a two-piece wheels. I bought these bad boys for like 50 euros someday, and a long time ago. And today I bought paints for like 30 euros. So yeah, I think I will turn these into quite cool wheels. But yeah, first it's very important to give them a really good wash, so the paint will stick to them, and then we can start painting them. I am also going to remove the tires on them and take off the emblem, of course, and then start mascating. Maybe take off the tires on all of them, or just because these are winter tires and I don't need that. I want summer tires like that. So yeah, maybe I'm going to take off all the tires. If I'm not going to do that, I will mascate around here so I don't paint the tire. Let us begin by washing the wheels. I decided to take off these tires right here, but not these, so I will show you how you can mascate around them, and like I said, it'll be no problem. And then we're actually ready to paint already. Like I said, this is really fast and really easy, so I am not a professional at all, and I should say to you, you should not do this, but let's just see how the result is, and then you can decide for yourself if you actually want to do this the cheap and fast way, or if you actually want to get rid of this. I maybe want to fix that later, I don't know. But firstly, I want to get paint on the inner one piece of the two-piece wheels. Let's just start taping the wheels. Okay, I came up with an idea because I figured out pretty quick that it's very difficult to put tape in between right here, because I do not want paint here, but just here. So I cut up some cardboard pieces that I can just put right here, and I tape them together. So it will look kind of like this. This is done now. So that's how it's looking, and I can tell you right now, by far, this is the most boring part of the job. So just be strong and get through it, and I am halfway done with this, soon done with this, and then it's two left, and seriously, I have used yeah, seriously, like 30 minutes already, so not good. But as you see right here, now you can kind of see the shape of the Throwing Star, and it looks like a two-piece. So if you have two-piece, you're lucky, because then you can just take it off, paint it, done. But we have to mascate, but that's the price you have to pay when you buy replicas. Hopefully the result will be looking pretty good. Woo! Finally, I'm done with this masking tape or mask with the tape. All the wheels are taped up, and if some of the wheels are not good enough, like in the edges right here, I assume that I will actually paint this other side sometime later, and it's much easier to tape on this part right here. So if it turns out kind of bad, I will paint it again. But now it is time to shake the can and just start spraying. I'm not using primer, I'm just using this one right here. I've chosen, my thought for this was kind of gold, copper, brown kind of look. So I ended up with this. I see now that on camera this looks like really bad. But I think that in real life, I saw a sample of it. It looks really cool. So this cost me around 15 euros. So kind of cheap or like decent. So we're gonna paint that, and very important, use 2K clear coat on top of your paint, because 2K is like hardens, and like you have to take off that, push it in the bottom and then shake it, and then it will harden after a few hours or so, and that will make the wheels like take a lot more. Like you can use the heavy degreaser and you can still, like, it will not affect the paint. And that is like if I have this for like 1 month and then I take the greaser on them and they will look bad immediately, I would not like that. So I think it's much better to just use 2K clear coat, so you should do as well. But now let's get some paint on them and hopefully they will look pretty cool. But I don't know, this was not as gold as I was supposed to have, but I think gold is like too much. But yeah, I don't know, I'm very excited. If this turns out bad, I will have to paint them again. So yeah, I'm very curious to see how it turns out. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. The color turned out the way I thought it would be, so that's pretty cool. I'm really excited to get this on my cabriolet in the sunshine, and only to just pull off this so it will be silver around it. I think that will be pretty cool. Yeah, really looking forward to this. I will just have a quick little more layer and then I will take clear coat on it. So far, so good. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's much better than it was. Now I'm finally done, and I think actually they look pretty good. I thought I had a tire for this one as well. I did, but it was leaking, so I only got to fit one of them, and I didn't remember that I painted it white. I don't know why I did it, but I will fix that. So yeah, I know I have another tire at home, so I will fit that later, but not today. But I think this will look really cool, and yeah, like I said, this is not a professional job, but it is kind of cool to see that just the stars are painted and not the rest of the wheels. Looks pretty cool. Yeah, I'm happy. But now we will skip to the day when I actually fit these to my E36, and we will see how they look on that car. It's a black car, so I think they will fit pretty good.
Oh my god. Are you guys ready? I mean, it looks amazing. Check it out. Wow. What do you guys think? I think that looks mean. Seriously, it looks very good. It actually looks amazing. Look at those wheels. That was a major facelift for the car. Wow. I mean, now it looks like this car has like wheels that are worth like, I don't know, 2,000-3,000 euros, or yeah, 2,000-3,000 euros, I don't know. In my eyes, I feel like it looks like that. If you get too close, of course you see it's not a perfect paint job, but from far away, wow, it looks really cool. Major improvement for an E36. Really cool. Like I said previously, if you do have some wheels kind of like this, maybe also you could just use a lot of time on just taping them up so it's like, so they look like replicas. But you see right here, it's not a perfect job, but it's better than it was. So I think the color came out really cool as well. And with the 2K clear coat, I am sure that this wheel is going to stay like this for a long time, even if I use heavy degrease rime. So yeah, I think this looks very cool. I am actually very happy with this. It's looking great. Oh my god, I can't even think that this is my own 325. It looks clean. I mean, I know it's not that clean. It has a few faults and stuff like that, but yeah, it looks, take a look at it. It looks so cool. Oh my god. From here as well, without the wheels, looks very good. I like this car, so much fun. Oh yeah. So that's it for this episode, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do want to paint some wheels, feel free to do it. And like I said, I did not use primer, so I will keep you up to date on how this works over time, but I think it'll be okay. I think the results turned out pretty good, so I wouldn't worry too much about that primer stuff. Just go at it with only paint and then 2K clear coat. You do see close up here, it's not perfect, but it's pretty good. I think it's pretty good, to be honest. Yeah, I'm happy. I'm really happy. It's looking very good. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something in this episode, and leave a like if you liked the video, and maybe consider subscribing, because there is a lot more content like this coming your way. I'm sorry my voice sounds a bit different today because I'm quite sick, but don't worry about that. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and let's see each other in the next video. Goodbye.